Good afternoon, good evening. Depends on wherever you are going to watch this video from. Okay, I'm coming. My name is Mommy Ella. And you?
Ella.
We are about to eat beans and what?
Plantain.
Okay, me and my daughter, we are going to do challenge.
Yeah.
So anybody that win how much?
We take the money.
The money, okay. So my daughter, if he's the winner, the money is here. I'll put the 10 euro later, okay? Oh yeah, continue. The first bite is for you guys. It's so yummy.
It's so yummy.
This is not joking, you know. Okay, you can see. This is one of the best beans I've ever cooked. I mix it with groundnut oil with oil. It's so sweet. I grind tomatoes, a lot of onions, and bell pepper and crushed brown pepper. But me, I'm eating unripened plantain. My daughter is eating ripe one, but I fry it. It's very good. Oh yeah, Ella, eat your beans, taste it.
Okay.
It's like I'm winning you. You like it? I have to be fast. I'm going to appointment. When I come back, I'm going to sit on this piece. It's really sweet, eh? Please, guys, help us to grow our channel, share our video, like, and share it to your friends, your contact list. Follow us on our Instagram page, Legit Queen, on our Facebook page, Legit Queen, on our YouTube channel, Ella World Family Vlog. We upload as well. Follow us. Bro, we love you all. Ella, what will you say?
Thank you.
Thank you. We love you all. Bye.
Bye.
Choose.
Choose.